Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm back with a session of common pronunciation errors. I have already made a couple of videos on common mispronounced words in English, but this video is going to cover almost all the trending mispronounced words. These words are very common, very frequently used, and very frequently mispronounced. So it's extremely important to pronounce these words correctly if you want to sound like a native speaker. Before beginning, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, so that I come to know that you like my content. Now let's begin. The first word is vegetable. Vegetable, not vegetable. It's vegetable. Eating vegetables is good for health. Comfortable, comfortable, not comfortable, notable, comfortable. I guarantee you a comfortable stay in our hotel. Next word is hotel. It's not hotel, hotel. It's a day of the week. What do you call it? It's Wednesday. Wednesday, not Wednesday, Wednesday. D is silent and S is pronounced as Z, Wednesday. Next word is February. February, not February, February. Coupon, coupon, not coupon, coupon. Comment, not comment. It's comment. Both has a noun or a verb. It's comment. Asthma. It's a disease, respiratory disease. It's called asthma. TH is silent, not asthma, asthma. Dengue. This word is most commonly pronounced as dengue, but it's wrong. The correct pronunciation is dengue. Photography. Photography, not photography. 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 Next word is tortoise. Tortoise, kachua, not tortoise, tortoise. Tortoise, tortoise. Chocolate, chocolate, not chocolate or chocolate. It's chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Dessert, dessert. It means sweet dish that you get after the dinner. Don't pronounce it as desert. That means Registan. It's dessert. R silent. Dessert. Menu. Menu. Not menu or menu. It's menu. It's a list of food items that you get in a restaurant. Menu. Next word is restaurant. It's not restaurant. That is commonly pronounced. So it's a wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is restaurant. 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 Cinema, where you go to watch movies. Cinema, not cinema. Cinema. Develop. Develop. Not develop. Develop. Next word is suggestion. Suggestion, not suggestion. Although suggestion can be considered as Indian pronunciation and that can be considered correct, but the most acceptable way to pronounce this word is suggestion. Suggestion. This is a very good source of vitamin A. So it's almond. Almond, not almond or almond. L is silent. Almond. Next linking word is vitamin. Vitamin. This is British pronunciation. Vitamin is American pronunciation. You can choose any, vitamin or vitamin, but not vitamin. No, this is wrong. Vitamin or vitamin. Next word is bury. Bury the dead. Bury means dafnana. Bury the dead. It's not bury, although this is considered as Indian pronunciation of this word, but the correct pronunciation is bury. Next I have a set of 4 words that are generally pronounced as beer, weir, tear, pear, but the correct pronunciation is bear, wear, tear and pear. Yes, it may seem funny, but this is the correct pronunciation. Only the word tear, when its meaning is like the liquid that comes from our eyes, ansu, then it is pronounced as tear. Otherwise, it will be pronounced as tear. Don't tear my book. But we will say, her eyes were full of tears. I have already made a video on the pronunciation of these words. You can go and check that. Our next word is a very common food item found in our kitchen. Potato. Potato, not potato. It's potato. Potato. Similarly, tomato. Tomato, not tomato or tomato. 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 Potato and tomato are the must-haves in our kitchen. Next word is plumber. Plumber. The one whom you call for repairing the water fittings in your house. He is called plumber, not plumber. Whenever B comes after the letter M, it's usually silent. So it's plumber. Similarly, womb, not womb. Womb. Tomb. I have already made a detailed video on these kind of words. Please go and check that. Next word is mischievous. Mischievous, not mischievous. Mischievous. He is a very mischievous boy. Next word is niche. Niche means a target area where you want to work, where your expertise lies. It's called niche, not niche or niche. It's niche. Next word is related to computers. Cache. Cache. It's not cache or cache. It's called cache. Hierarchy. Hierarchy. Many people pronounce it as hierarchy. They miss the first R. But there are 2 R's in this word and both will be pronounced. Hierarchy. Your pronunciation should be perfect. Perfect, not perfect. Perfect. R is silent. The next word is pronunciation, not pronunciation. Pronunciation. Next word is vehicle. Vehicle, not vehicle. 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 When you are referring to a single lady, it's woman. Woman. When you are referring to more than one female, it's called women. Women. We-men. Women. So single, woman, plural, women. Wo and we. Police. Police, not police. Although it's most commonly pronounced as police, but that's wrong. It's police. 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 The stress is on the last syllable. Police. Police. most commonly pronounced as poem, but its correct pronunciation is poem. Poem. Not poem, not poem. 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 Have you ironed your shirt? Yes, this word is pronounced as iron, not iron. When it is used as a verb, you should pronounce it as iron. The R should be silent. Iron your clothes to make them look better. Iron. Next word is a bit typical. It means a style or category of art or music or literature. It's called genre. Genre. Although this pronunciation is very much different from how does it look, but it's pronounced as genre, not genre. Genre. J, a little bit j sound. Genre. Which genre in literature you like the most? I like crime thriller. Fantasy is the favorite genre of kids. Next word is sweet. Sweet. It's not suit, it's called sweet. Its meaning is it refers to a set of rooms, generally a bedroom along with living room and a spacious bathroom, that is designated for one person or family's use in a good resort or hotel. Suite. I have booked a luxurious suite in the hotel. Next word is breakfast. Breakfast, not breakfast. 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 This is something we all like very much. It's called pizza. Pizza, not pizza. It's pizza. There is a kind of t sound after p. Pizza. Next word is sour. Sour. Its meaning is khatta. I like the hot and sour soup whenever I go to this particular restaurant. Next word is very commonly mispronounced. Its correct pronunciation is bowl. Bowl, not bowl. It's called bowl. Please pour some cereals in my bowl. Next word is receipt. Receipt, not receipt. P is silent. Receipt. One who sets up a business. What do you call him? Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, not entrepreneur. It's enter. Enter. Entrepreneur. Last R is silent in British pronunciation. So it's entrepreneur. The next is a word for exaggerated statement. In Hindi you call it atishokti. This word is pronounced as hyperbole. Hyperbole, not hyperbole, not hyperbole. It's hyperbole. Hyperbole. The R after hyper is silent. Hyperbole. All women like to wear it. It's jewelry. Jewelry, not jewelry. Jewelry. Next is a word for measuring tool. It's pronounced as gauge. Gauge, not gauge. Gauge. Mark out the details of the surface with a gauge. Who doesn't like to visit here once in a while? It's pronounced as salon. Salon or salon. Both are correct. Next word is executive. Executive, not executive. Executive. I hope this long list of commonly mispronounced English words along with their correct pronunciation will really help you a lot in sounding like a native English speaker. Practice them again and again and speak English with confidence. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also state your opinion about this video in the comment box. Thank you so much.